Do you also have a WordPress website and you want to add a search bar on your WordPress website so that users or visitors who are coming to your website can search anything on your website they are looking for? If your answer is yes, then stay tuned, watch this video till the end, because in this video I am going to show you how you can add a search bar on your WordPress website step by step without any technical knowledge. Hey guys, my name is Rahul and you are watching MOM Globe. So here I have a WordPress website which is something like that, and it can be anything, like it can be a blog website, a static website, it can be a e-commerce website. So whatever type of WordPress website you have, this particular functionality will work on any website. Right now my goal is to add the search bar on this blog page so that people who are coming to read my blog can directly search for the particular blog that they are looking for, so that their time and energy is saved. Now in order to perform this functionality, we need to do 3 steps. Number 1, to install a plugin. Number 2, to configure the plugin. And number 3, to integrate the feature and to test whether it is working on. Now in order to install this plugin, now we'll go to plugins and click on add new plugin. This is our step number 1. The name of the plugin is Search WP. The name of the plugin which we are using here is called Search WP. So you need to search for Search WP, the name of the plugin. And once you search for this plugin, you will see here multiple plugin option, that is Search WP, this. So first 2 plugins are the right one, and the first one is something which we will use. So click on install now, and once the installation is done, you need to click on activate. And once your plugin is activated, the step number 2 is to configure this plugin. Now once you activate this plugin, it will directly take you this settings option. Now it says live search. It means once the user start searching for something, it will give some suggestion also, and it will of course search for the right content. So it is by default enable, keep it as it is. Layout theme, that minimal, medium, rich, custom, what kind of layout you want. So I want to keep it as minimal as of now, not a problem. You can change the layout. Custom styling, if you want to put any kind of description, image, color and everything, you can do that, but I am skipping this step as of now. Other options you can, not a problem, right? So you can keep all the option as it is, not a problem. Now click on save. And once you are done with it, once you are on the screen, you need to search for search only, right? So once you search for keyword that is search, you will see multiple plugins which provide you this functionality to add a search bar. So you can see here search WordPress search plugin, right? Relevancy, better search, Fibo search. So there are multiple plugins. You need to also check which plugin was recently updated, like this was 2 weeks ago, 3 months ago. We need to see which one will suit you best. But as of now, we will use the first one, that is Ivory search plugin, that is this one. We will click on install now, and once the installation is done, we will simply activate the plugin. Once the installation is done, click on activate. So this was our step number 1. Now move on to step number 2, that is to configure this plugin and see the settings of this plugin. After activating, this will take you to this screen directly. So you can say never miss an important update, not a problem. We can skip this step. We don't want any email notification from this plugin, unnecessarily like promotional emails or something like that. Once it is done, now on the left hand side, you will be able to see this option inside either under settings or in the tools, or you can directly go to plugins, install plugins, and here you can see the option which is, so from here you can click on settings of the plugin, and once you click on settings of the plugin, it will it will take you to the screen, and you can say here custom search form, default search form, Ajax search form, WooCommerce, and here are the shortcodes. So by default there are forms. So let's say if I, for example, default search form, click on this. If I see what is the default search form, there will be some functionalities, and you can set up. This is the shortcode. So wherever you want to apply this search bar, search form, you can directly copy and paste, and you can say configure searchable content, that in this particular form, what content will be searchable. So here we can say post, pages, landing page, but in my case, I want only post, not pages, and not other things, so that user does not get confused. And in post also, search all post unselected, yes, everything is okay. Extra, search post title, everything, search category title, everything, yes. I want everything to be searched in terms of post, and once it is done, I will click on save form. You can create multiple search bars for particular use. Let's say I want to add a search bar for blog, then I want a different for products or maybe some other pages, or maybe from product update, something like that. So you can customize this. Now click on save forms. Once everything or every change is done, you can search out the other setting as well. It means what should be excluded in the content, what is the design, what are the other options, what is the ajax. So in terms of design, you can also customize this form in terms of CS and everything. So you can see here, but as of now we are just copy this shortcode, come back to the WordPress dashboard, and here on the blog page you will click on edit with Elementor, or you can directly click on edit. So whatever you want, you can do that. Click on edit with Elementor. So once you click on edit with Elementor, let's say I want to add this particular shortcode right on the top. So I will just take a single column, single row, then I will take the shortcode widget from here, drag and drop the widget, and I will paste my shortcode which I copied. As soon as I paste my shortcode, you can see there is a search bar. Now click on update. Once I update and let's say click on preview changes, you can see there is a search bar. You can place right on the right hand side, on the top, on the bottom somewhere, right? And let's say I want to search for SEO. I am searching for SEO, and I click on this search icon. As soon as I search for SEO, now you can see related to this SEO keyword, every possible option from post is there. So I had one post which is about SEO, so that's why it is now there in the search results. Now if I search for anything else, let's say for example I will search for fashion, click on this icon or you click on this button, you can see here I had this particular blog which mentioned fashion as a keyword. It is not compulsory that the only title should have this keyword. If the category also related to this, or maybe the content of the blog is related to that, then also you can see that the results are there. So this, and of course you can customize this search bar. You can place anywhere because it gives you a short code, and as I said, you can create multiple search bars as per your convenience. So guys, that's how you can create multiple search bars for your WordPress website and place them on any particular page or post, and you can decide how they will look, what content will they search, and everything else. So guys, that's it for this video. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.